This is Motorola Moto E13, and today I'm going to demonstrate you can add an event to the calendar. So first of all, you will need to launch the Google Calendar app, then tap at the date that you would like to add an event for or to. So let's say I'll go with 26th of February. Then at the bottom right corner, tap at this plus icon, choose the event option, and in here you can set the title for your event. So I'll set it to be, let's say, birthday party. Then you can decide whether you would like for this event to occur the entire date that you have chosen, or set some particular time frames for it to be active. You can change the time zone, decide whether you would like for this event to be repeated or not repeated, respectively, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can add some people, invite some people to be the participants of this event, add some video conferencing for it, add location, decide when you would like to be notified about this event, set some color for it perhaps, add some description, and then save it whenever you are ready. And that will be it. Just like so, you can link an event to your Google Calendar, or, well, create one. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.